Hey everyone, welcome again to another lesson in this Tosca training course. Today, instead of showing something in Tosca, I'm going to answer the most frequently asked question, at least in all of my Tosca videos, is related to a license for installing and working in Tosca. Now, if you look at the Tricentis website, they will tell you that they don't provide any training licenses or any trial licenses for Tosca, right? Today, I'm going to show you another way through which you can still obtain a training license from Tricentis in order to start working with Tosca. So let's go through the process. Now, if you have looked at one of my earlier videos where I have shown you the whole Tosca setup along with the license, this process would almost look similar, right? It's only the URL which you need to know in order to get a training license request. So this is the URL. This is the most important part. So you need to have a support account in Tricentis, right? So, and then you need to go to this URL, which is support hub Tricentis, and then you have to put this ID equals to training license request, right? So that will take you to the URL where you can request a training license and you can start working with Tosca again. But let's go step by step. So the first step is to have a support account in Tricentis, right? So you need to go to supporthubtricentis.com and then click on register if you don't have an account already, right? So you need to fill all the details. So let's start here with filling all the details here. I will just fill all the required fields which are present in this form. Okay, so let me search for a time zone. And the most important part in this form is the business email. Now, there is no alternative. You have to provide a business email. You have to get this from somewhere, right? So I will put my business email here. And then we need to put a password here. Okay. Rest of the fields are not mandatory. So if you want, you can fill, but I don't feel it's mandatory. So I'll just go ahead with the form. Okay. So or my registration is successful. Now I can go ahead and log in into the support portal for Tricentis in order to get a training license, right? So let's go ahead and log in here. And once we log in, it will take us through the support portal, right? Okay, let me get rid of all these pop-ups. Okay, so we need to verify our account before it can really work, right? So go back to your email box and then click on the link which will verify your email, right? I will do this in the background. So I have refreshed the page now and that error should be gone because I have verified myself through email, right? And now the next step, once you have registered yourself in the Tricentis support portal, you need to go to that particular link, right, which I have provided you. So this is the URL through which you can access or you can request for training license to use Tosca or to learn Tosca, right? Now, there are two ways you can request license, or there are basically two models. There is the cloud training license, and there is also a license which you can install directly in your machine, right? So if you want, you can go through the documentation, how to connect to your license server, what are the license model. You can also go to downloads and you can download your Tricentis Tosca from here, right? But the first step is to request for a training license, and I would recommend you to go for a cloud training license because you can connect it from anywhere, right? So I'm going to request a cloud training license, okay? And it is currently showing state as deploying. So once it's completed, I would be having my training license, okay? So you just need to refresh it, okay? So once it is completed, the state will change. Similarly, if you want on-premise license, that means directly on your machine, you can request it here as well, right? Uh, because my previous request is pending or waiting for deployment, I'm not able to request a on-premise training license, okay? But I prefer the cloud training license, so I have requested for a cloud training license. Similarly, you can go for any one of them, either on-premise, which is on your machine, or on the cloud, right? So let's wait until this is completed, and then we will see how the training license looks like. So once the process is complete, you will see the state will change to deployed, and that means your cloud training license is now ready. Now, one thing to note here is cloud training license is only provided by Tricentis for training purposes. So you should use this only for learning Tosca and not for anything else. Right. So once this cloud training license is ready, the only other step you need to do is either download your Tricentis Tosca, you can download the latest version, and you can directly connect it to the cloud training license. Or else, if you have already a Tosca Commander version, open Tosca Commander, go to project and go to license. There you will find different options. Okay, so here if you go to activate, you will see there is a connect or activate option, right? So you can click on connect and then you can select on connect to cloud hosted license server, click on OK, and here you need to enter your username. So the same username and password which we used to create a profile on the Tricentis support portal, right? I'm not going to click on OK, right? So once you enter the username and password, it should connect you to the cloud training hosted license server, right? And your Tosca should now be connected to a training license version, right? So you should be able to use Tosca for a limited amount of time, but at least that will give you an opportunity to learn Tosca and implement what you have learned through various other videos. Okay, so this is how you can connect to Tosca using the training license server provided by Tricentis. Either you can opt for a cloud or an on-premise license. You can also go through this document, which is quite useful. It's present here. So how to connect to your cloud license server. It provides you with the same steps which I have shown you, right? So you need to go here, connect to cloud hosted license server, and then enter the same username and password which you have used for your Tricentis support portal. And that way, you should finally get this kind of a window where it will say that you have successfully connected to the license server and you can start using your Tosca commander. Okay, so that's all about how to create your own Tosca training license. and how to connect it to your Tosca commander so that you can start using Tosca and start learning few things about this great automation tool. So that's all for this lesson. And in the next session, I'm going to show you more interesting videos about this Tosca automation tool. So stay connected and keep learning.